Hi there, English 101 students. Welcome to week 12. As you can see, I look a little different than I usually do. It's spring, I shaved. So for Monday, you'll be working on a lecture that I provided for outlining your final paper. Your final paper will basically be a way for you to unpack that introductory paragraph. Now remember, in your introduction, you begin by introducing the problem, outlining the current solutions to the problem where you kind of integrate your research, right? Then move into your thesis using a subordinate conjunction, although, even though, while, or though, and then provide a roadmap to the rest of your essay, first, second, third, fourth, and then a sentence that wraps up your thesis statement, okay? Now, your paper will basically follow that same format. Paragraph 2 will be more on the problem itself. Paragraph 3 will elaborate a little bit more on the current solutions. Paragraph 4 will then outline again your thesis, your solution, and then you'll just move step by step by step in the following paragraphs on unpacking or explaining the steps to implement your solution. And then you'll have a conclusion that wraps up your argument and explains where we should go from here. All right. I also have the instructions for the final presentation. Your final presentation is basically your paper in a 3 to 5 minute presentation that you'll be presenting on YouTube. Make sure you set the link to public, okay, when you submit it. Make sure you also include that policy statement, that need, must, should, could, would, or ought. I'm really looking for that key word when you introduce your solution. Make sure that you introduce your solution with that key word. I need to hear that. It's very important. When you submit that presentation, that will be the final day of class. I think it's due on the 7th of May, which is the same date as your final presentation. So again, your final paper. Your final presentation will be a quick summary of your final paper, 3 to 5 minutes. And make sure you include that keyword should, must, need, could, would, or ought when you provide your solution. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great week. I'll talk to you soon.